In this video, I will show you how to fix the Gcash internal server error. So let's jump straight into it. Now, normally if there's an error with the Gcash app, this is normally due to maintenance which is happening on the app. What normally happens if there's planned maintenance, you will normally get like a message or an email sent through to your registered email that you've registered with Gcash to say that maintenance work will be undergoing. So if this is the case, you just need to wait until the maintenance work has finished and you should be able to use the app again, no problem. However, if you've not actually received any messages, there's a couple of things you can try to resolve this problem. The first thing you're going to want to check is that you have the most up-to-date version of Gcash. So to do that, you want to come across to the Play Store or the iTunes Store, depending on whether you have an Android device or an iPhone, and go ahead and look for Gcash. And if there is an update available, this button where it says open will actually say update. So you want to make sure first of all that you've got the most up-to-date version of the app. And once that's done, you can also try clearing the cache for the app. So to do that, you want to go into your phone settings and then you want to locate your app manager. So you can just use the search function and then go ahead and search for apps. And what you can do from here is go ahead and find the Gcash app on your device. And once you find the app, go ahead and press onto it, and what you want to do is just scroll down until you get to the storage section, press on storage, and at the bottom what you want to do is clear the cache and also clear the data as well. So once you've gone ahead and done that, try to open Gcash again, and that should resolve the problem with the Gcash internal server error. So I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.